Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to put on silent Huawei P30 Lite, and the method is the same also for P30 and P30 Pro, so let's do it. So to do that it is very easy. You can swipe the top bar and here we have the sound, or more easy, just push on the volume button and here on the ring bell just hit once, and now your phone will just vibrating, and if you push twice your phone is now on silent. Also we have here some settings. You can turn off or turn on the silent mode. You can adapt the volume for the media, ringtone, alarms and calls. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.